Hello everyone, welcome today on Friday, yes, Friday, May the 6th, 2022. We have here only two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Light and the heavy Sudoku. It's the first Friday of the month, so we will do a speed test, but what I want to show you also is in this newspaper there are no extra puzzles, no additional. What I will do is after the two puzzles I've done with the speed test, I will continue with the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. The Thursday's newspaper, we have four puzzles left, and I will continue with those puzzles after the speed test of these two puzzles. Alright, so let me start with the Light Sudoku. Let me position the camera, zoom in, and this will be number 4511. 4511. And for speed test, I always count the printed digits when I start. Well, this one has 9 big squares with each 4 printed digits, so 36 printed digits. So let's get started. 1 minute 45. Okay. Let me see. The 8. Wow. 3, the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and the 5. 5, 9, 6, 4, 5, 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, and 3, 5 and 3, 1 and 4, 4. This should be the 6, 4, yeah, 8, and the 3, 8, the 1 and the 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 and the 7, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 9, 1, 2, the 3 and the 9, 9, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 8, 7, 7, the 2 and 6. All right, 4 minutes minus 1 minute, 3 minutes. Okay, let me double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1. Yeah, this should be a 2. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, well, with 1 error. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this speed test. The light, I will do in a minute the heavy Sudoku with the speed test. Alright, thank you. Bye bye for now.